Yeah, yeah. Oh, na, 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 na. Yeah. Listen. In the early 90s, that was the beginning. Mama had me, she was definitely smiling. Finally, your boy, she was very, very happy. She prayed for those with the love of her life. Hey, she call me grace, she call me blessing. She look into my eyes, call me love of her life. I wish I could go back and feel what she felt, but she goes down on her knees and tell God what she felt. Hey, joy, nothing but joy. Every other day, she see nothing but joy. Showers of blessing, God bless that plenty. Thank God for blessings, yeah, joy, nothing but joy. Every other day she says nothing but joy. We didn't have much, but she loved me still. When she thank God for blessings. Listen, so when I was a little boy, Mama told me, my boy, chase your dreams, yeah, and keep believing, cause the sky will be your beginning. When I was a little boy, Mama told me, my boy, chase your dreams, yeah, and keep believing, cause the love will set you. Let me sing it now, say one time for my people who happy when they feel this music, when they find my CD. I say, come on, for my people who happy when they dance for my music, when they come for my show. I say, 3 times for my people who happy when they play my music, when they dance as on show. I say, 4 times for my people who happy when they support the progress and they pray for me. I say, I pray God bless you and bless your family. Wish you what you wish me. God bless my people. Joy, 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 joy. I pray God bless you and bless your family. Wish you what you wish me. God bless everyone here. Come on. No woman, no cry. Oh, na 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. No woman, no woman, no cry. Happy Mother's Day to every woman. God bless you. Yeah, yeah. So when I was a little boy, my mama told me, this love will set you free. My son, please believe it. This love is for real. I can never forget the words that she said to me, son. Yeah, chase your dreams. Keep believing.